So I got hit with a van restriction on Valorant. You know the one. Vanguard decides your PC is permanently banned and you can't even launch the game. No appeal, no explanation, just done. First thing I tried? Reinstalled Windows completely. Fresh install, wiped everything. Opened Valorant, same van error popped up. Alright, made a brand new Riot account. Different email, different phone number, the whole thing. Same van restriction shows up. Because Vanguard isn't banning your account, it's banning your hardware. Then I tried unplugging drives, swapping my NIC, messing with TPM settings in BIOS. Nothing worked. I almost bought a new motherboard. Almost. I watched every YouTube tutorial, Reddit threads, Discord servers, Riot support tickets. Everyone says the same thing: buy new hardware or just wait it out. But here's the thing, Vanguard restrictions don't expire. They're permanent. Then a buddy told me about Saturn Spoofer. I was skeptical, but I'd already spent weeks trying to fix this thing. Downloaded it, one click, rebooted my PC, launched Valorant, and Vanguard didn't say a word. No van restriction, no error pop-up, just straight into the menu. 5 ranked games later, still no flag. So if you're stuck with a van restriction, don't buy new parts, don't reinstall Windows again, just run Saturn Spoofer. Back in Valorant like it never happened.